Still on APWEN, its Lagos branch held its annual public lecture for the year 2019 at the Ralph Alabi Engineering Center, Ikeja. In attendance at the event were President of APWEN, Engineer Dr. Felicia Agubata, representatives from the Lagos State Government, Engineer Adeoye Monsurat, among others. The focal point of the event was the discussion on integrated infrastructure development beyond the professional barriers, which was the theme of the lecture.
This theme was critically considered in view of the increasing need for collaboration with other professionals. Engineers can't do it alone. We need to collaborate with each other and with other people. There is no doubt that our country is currently experiencing a huge challenge in infrastructural deliveries. We also acknowledge the efforts by our leaders to address this, whether at state or federal level. The country is in dire need of its professionals, and they must all work together to deliver.
The transport, you want to develop your ferry services. Your ferry services, how you dredge, the depth at which you depth. You want to build a bridge on additional heights. You are collaborating with your colleagues because he's also coming with his waterways transport system. How do they all integrate together? That's the gamut of everything we're talking about. And so, like I said, this topic would not have come. It's coming very up. It's something that we need to go back home at the end of this exercise, at the end of this AGM, 3-in-1 AGM, and then say we must have a conscious decision that Lagos must grow. It's enough. It's enough.
Guest speaker Engineer Abiodun Otunola in his lecture also charged female engineers under the auspices of APWEN to lead the advocacy for good roads in the state.
Please, we need your help in this country. And I'm happy that I'm speaking to professional women engineers this afternoon who have done so well. And I want to say that, like we always say, what a man can do, a woman can do better. So I want to give you an assignment this afternoon, please. We need an advocacy to bring back our road. Please, just like you have helped us to bring back some of the Chibok girls, there were no men there.
Preceding the lecture was the presentation of awards of excellence to distinguished engineers.
So passionate about STEM.